Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad T10 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left to this button, which is here. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the general settings, and here we have location tag option, so it tag photos and videos with location information. By using this button we can easily turn it off, another tap to turn it on again, as you can see. And also the important information here is that to make it work correctly when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and also we have to turn on the location of this device, so remember about these two parameters to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.